In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous, and our job is to find that panoramic destinations. Amidst thick jungles, Rajgiri, a less explored waterfall tears from the top of the hills located deep inside the core area of KHANDAPADA-Forest-RANGE near Malasahi village in NAYAGARH District Odisha. It's another hidden treasure of NAYAGARH District, which is covered by lush green and hills in the back, hidden from the city and people. It has a smoke-like appearance created by the spraying of water as it cascades down the rock face. The distance of Rajgiri from Malasahi village is 9 kilometers, of which the first 6 kilometers, a narrow route through jungle, which is accessible to two-wheelers. The both side of the road has a beautiful views of natural scenery along with hills, beautiful tall trees and the gorgeous skies. After reaching there, one has to trek 3 km to climb the hill inside the deep wilderness to reach the hilltop, where the waterfall originates. Although the trekking is enormously tough, hence after trekking the rest 2 kilometers on the hill, you can see a spectacular beauty of nature, and it takes away all the pains of the trekking. It's totally a natural place juxtaposed with religious and historical heritage. There is a small Hanuman temple built at the top of the destination point by the local people of this area. It is said that there is the footprint of Lord Hanuman. There is also a small SHIVLING at the side of the waterfall. Apart from this, there are also small stone statues of God and Goddess, which worshipped by the villagers. This place is perfect for photoshoot and video shoot, as well as a better place to find yourself by the side of the waterfall and listening to its music. Just under the first waterfall, there are 2 more falls from the same source of water, both of them bigger than the first one. You can take a bath there, swim there, and also enjoy there with your friends, family and relatives. It's very good for picnic spot. There is also a small hut built by the villagers on the top of the hill. There are also available needed things for making food, so you can cook and eat there. The more attractive view is more during monsoon. All quiet and cool, and the singing of birds is a nice experience and feels like awesome. Although it's not easy to reach there, because of there is no proper road to hilltop, the path is full of wild bushes, the huge stones lying all through it, hence it's a dreamy and exquisite hidden spot, which government needs to improve transportation and glorify. If properly managed, this can be a very popular destination on the tourism map of Odisha.